Hey, what's up? I'm back with episode 7 of Chainsaw Man, so let's get into it. Mm. Why you look concerned? Yeah! Go crazy. You might have to do this for a while, though. Okay, if it's not here, then while he's doing stuff, where is the heart though? I was thinking like they could go, but they can't go anywhere. Ceaselessly. Yeah. Help him out, Blood Devil! How far have you fallen, Chainsaw? Are we talking about Pochita? Like, are we saying that like it was Pochi that was like super powerful at one point in time? Are we actually talking about Denji? And like, who is that with the shark on their head? This is bad. Power! Help in some way, shape, or form. You could do it, maybe. Ugh. Wait, you gotta eat them? That helps you? Strawberry jam? Okay, he's fine. Hey. He's fearless. She got all the screws loose, probably. You sure? He drinks, you smoke. Not good enough. Hmm. I don't think he's interested in this. I'll take him. But what if he doesn't? Cool and serious and kind. Is he too kind? And normal. He's a normie. Mm. Is it? You sure? Oh, thanks. Wait, no, it's Powers. Power wants to know. Ooh, girl, you feeling some type of way though? Are you good? I'm assuming you've been using your ghost thing a lot to make sure he's good. Well, how much time has passed? Y'all hungry and thirsty and stuff. 3 days? 3 days? Oh. We getting in bed? You've been non-stop, huh? Ooh. That was the heart, huh? Good job. Wow. I bet you smell. I think you should sleep. We can take a sleep. Oh. You saved the day. They should. Yeah, but she said she would if you use your sword. How'd you find it though? It's so small. Are you in a love triangle at all? You could try. Who's this small child-looking person? How do you hold your liquor? Okay. I called you a small child. 3? For you? 3? All? They're too scary. What do they look like? He didn't have a good education or very good food. He doesn't have a good palate. But you're gonna do it? Juicy, how juicy? Yeah, you don't know these people. 8. 16. If I remember right. She said, oh? Do you like them young? Okay, good job. Good boy. You're 22? Haiku, very nice. Oh. Ooh. Down bad? For Aki? You're 20? Eating tasty things. Did you pick it out or something? Oh. You have a sister? 8 sisters? 8 sisters? Oh. Of course. Nay. Everyone here. That's a canteen. She says it's gonna be juicy. Is she gonna puke? Hi. Look at you. Oh, really? No! Boy, if you don't... Boy, your priorities. Either way, Denji's underage. I think you asked too soon. She needs to be at like 5 beers. Ah. Who's paying for this? Doesn't seem like you can all drink her. Her advanced IQ. She's so smart. That's slow, baby! 500? Girl. Oh! Oh yeah! It's the kiss of tag! Don't look. Oh, but she's looked up. Are you... That's very tough. Is she gonna puke in your mouth? It's a... But it's melting in my mouth. It's not a tough... What is it? Remotely nutritious? No! Poor thing. What's... How long has it been there for? Are you gonna eat that too? Oh, but sweetie. Oh, but sweetie. Puke it out. Puke, get it out. Get it out. How was the kiss before that, though? It seemed sloppy and illegal. How often did she come home drunk from work? Let's not count that. She paid the tab? Nah. How much was that though? That was a lot. That had to be over like... It's like $1,000. Are you wearing clothes? You're clothed, right? The puke girl gave me a bark kiss. Ma'am, where are you located? Danji. She gave you a freaking beer. And? You jelly? Oh. So there is like a love triangle. Like, you like Aki, Aki likes Makima. It could be a square, because Denji's in the equation too. No! No! No. Ma'am? Get on shoot. What? Ooh. Y'all making me hungry though. Even if Denji had someone puked out his throat. Okay. Congrats, I guess. Well, first of all, Denji beat the Infinity Devil, so yay, we got out really quickly. Well, not really quickly, it took like 3+ days, but yay, we got out. And Denji got his reward, and then some. And then some. Yeah, how old is that lady? I keep forgetting her name. Senpai. I'm gonna just call her Senpai whenever I don't remember her name. Oh, how old are you, ma'am? Trying to smash this child. But yeah, poor Denji. First kiss tastes like vomit. That's poetic. That's gonna be it for me, dears. Check out the stuff that's up there. So I'll send links in the description down below if you're on YouTube. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Thanks. I'll see you, dears, sometime soon. Bye-bye.